Okay, so what we're going to do is, sorry for my pronunciation, but I think this is Trappey's. It's one of the top selling, I want to say chili sauce, but maybe hot sauce in the USA. And what we're going to do today is do a quick test on measuring its hotness in Scoville heat units. So Solron is much more gifted, I would say, at this procedure. So if you want to run us through it, let's measure the hotness of this.
All right, so we need to prepare the sample. In order for us to test the hot sauce, we need to add some buffer to it, just to make sure that the solution will function as an electrolyte. And we will mix a ratio of 1 to 4.
Okay, so you're just knocking a bit out into this dish.
Yeah, just for it's easier to pipette it from there.
Cool. Great.
All right. So let's add 1 portion of the sauce.
Okay.
And then 4 parts of the buffer.
So the sample preparation is actually quite, dare I say it, straightforward. That you add 1 volume of the sauce, 4 volumes of the buffer. That just basically makes everything nice and homogeneous, make sure that the pH is controlled. And then I think what's going to happen in a minute, that this is going to get quickly vortexed. I think it's sometimes, with something like this, it's easy enough to just shake it. But I think there's a bit of vortexing going to go on. A sensor is going to go in the meter. This is the food sense meter. There's an app on the phone. The phone tells the meter what to do. The meter gives the data back to the app, and then we're able to tell you what the hotness of Trappey's Louisiana original recipe hot sauce is in Scoville heat units. Great.
Right. So let's insert a sensor into the food sense box, like that, and then we will do some pipetting. Just make sure to cover all the electrodes of the sensor, and we'll start the measurement.
Okay, great.
And this measurement will run for a minute and a half.
As you can see what you mean, it goes very quickly now, isn't it? Okay, so the result is coming, and the score on the door is 1,531 Scoville heat units, or 1,531. And I think that's a really fair and accurate measurement. For this is it's a tasty, but it's a milder one of the sauces. And so 1,531 Scoville heat units, perfect. Thanks so very much. Thank you.